Hi, welcome to my video on the unit on sinusoidal functions. In this video, we'll talk about defining a sinusoidal function. A sinusoidal function is a curve which has a continuous pattern in the form of a wave. The pattern is a sine wave. So to illustrate a sine wave that you will go through, but you've already did it in my unit on trig. Sine wave starts, you could start at 0, 0 and go up, reach its peak, come down, hit the axis, go down to the bottom and come up again. So that's a sine wave or a sine graph. And this is continuous, and then it continues on with the same pattern like this. And that just goes to show. Or it could go back this way, hit the bottom, back to the middle, top, back to the middle and the bottom, and this continues on. So that's what we call the sine graph. And also that this is the sine, but I could also illustrate that we have a pattern like this, and we continue that pattern. We go up, down to the bottom, and up again. So this is the same, but it's not. It has a period that does the same thing, like go up here, down. So this peak or V shape here is the pattern, but it's not what we call a sinusoidal, in that it's a wave, harmonic wave, this pattern. But this has a period. This repeats itself from here up. So there's the period there. If you go from there to there, that's what we call one period or one cycle. And then it repeats itself again here, and so on and so on. And this one repeats over this interval here. Then it repeats right here. But it's not, again, it's not a sine wave. And another pattern that we go sideways could be this. This is a pattern too. So the pattern goes like this, top to bottom. Here's one. Then we'll do another. Then we'll do another. But it's periodic, again, but it's not a sine wave. It's not sinusoidal. So to illustrate the sine theta, we start at 0, and the sine graph would start here, go up to 1, right here to 1. We could go back, down, up to 1, down to 0, down to 1, right here, and then up again. So there's the normal sine graph, what we call sine theta. And this has a height of 1, period of 360, and this continues. So it goes up to the max, back to the middle, down to -1. So it continues up, middle, bottom, middle, or it can go this way, bottom, middle, max is 1, and so there's the sine graph, and this continues on and on and on. But the sine also can have, we can start here, instead of going up 1 and down 1 and down 1 again, we could go, leave here and go up 3. So we could go up 3, down 3 to the middle, then we go down 3 again, and then we go up 3. So this one, notice, has a same pattern, but it just has, it starts at 0 and goes to 360, but it has a height of 3. This one has a height of 1. Or we could, if we want, do the same thing but stretch it out, have a height of 1. So we could make it longer and do this. We could go up 2, down 2, down 2 again. So we can make this one like this. So notice this one has a height of 2 from this is the main axis, what we call the sinusoidal axis of symmetry. But notice that the period of this one for one cycle for the sine wave is 720. The period here is 360, but the height is 3. The period here is 360 for one. Notice a sine is a sideways S. It's a sideways S. Sine is S-I-N. The S, so it starts on the sinusoidal, goes up, back to the sinusoidal, bottom. So this is the graphs that we're going to deal with, the sinusoidal function. And that ends this video. I just wanted to make it short. And if you like my video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.